Hi, boys and girls. I'm Janice, and I like puppets, and I hope you do too. My puppets have a story to tell today that's from Africa, and it's an old African folk tale. It's called Who's in Rabbit's House? I can't get in my house. I can't get in it, and that's my house. I am the long one. I eat trees and trample on elephants. Go away, or I will trample on you. But that's my house. Come out at once. Oh, think. What am I to do? I cannot get into my own house. Ribbit. I saw what happened. That's terrible. I think I could get him out. What? You're so small. You think you could do what I cannot? You just go away. Frog, Ribbit. I'll just wait behind this tree. Silly frog. Thinks he could do what I could not do. But what shall I do? Hello, Rabbit. Why aren't you sitting in your doorway like you usually are? Because someone's in my house and he won't come out, and I can't get in. Well, step aside. Who's in Rabbit's house? I am the long one. I eat trees and trample on elephants. Go away, or I will trample on you. Oh, I'm going. Wait. Oh, don't laugh, Frog. Jackal, come back. Come back and help me. Well, I think I know what to do. We must gather a big pile of sticks. Come. Okay. This looks good. Okay. Now what? Place them in front of your house. Well, that will keep the big thing in. I want him out. Well, I'm going to set fire to it. What? That would burn my house. And that would burn the long one too. I won't let you burn my house. Just go away. Oh. Gotta get rid of these sticks. There. What were you doing with the sticks? Oh, there's someone in my house and he won't let me in. And Jackal thought he was going to burn my house down. What? Well, no, that will never do. Of course not. But I need help. Well, step aside. Who's in Rabbit's house? I am the long one. I eat trees and I trample on elephants, and I will trample on you too. Nuh-uh. You don't scare me. I'm tough. I'll tear that house to bits and eat you all up. No. Don't tear my house to bits. But how can you use it with a bad animal in it? But it's still my house. Go away. Okay. There must be a way to get that animal out without destroying my house. What? Hello, Rabbit. Oh, hello, Elephant. Oh, what's the matter? Well, you see, there's someone in my house, and he won't come out, and he won't let me in. Oh, I don't know what to do.
Well, step aside. Now, who is in Rabbit's house?
Well, I am the long one. I eat trees and trample on elephants. Go away or I will trample on you.
Trample on elephants? Who thinks he tramples on elephants? I'll trample on you. I'll trample you flat, near as a mat. I'll trample on you and...
No, no, no. Because you were going to trample my house. It's my house.
Well, what else can I do? I was only trying to help.
I know, but just go away. Go away. Frog, quit laughing. It's not funny. Oh, hi, Warthog.
Well, hi. You look very sad.
I am. You see, someone's in my house, and they won't come out, and they won't let me in.
Really? Well, step aside. Who's in Rabbit's house?
I am the long one. I eat trees and trample on elephants, and I'll trample on you, too.
Really? Well, phoo. I'll just use my tusks and whisk you away. Here I come.
Wait. Oh.
There. Well, I got rid of that little old one. Thought he was so smart. Well, Rabbit, anytime you can come back.
Hey, Warthog,
Yes.
that wasn't the long one.
No.
No, that was Rabbit you threw into the lake.
Oh, no. Oh, we must go rescue her.
Yes. Glow. This lake is very deep. Glow.
Oh, Rabbit, climb on my back. Oh, Warthog. Oh, thank you. Sorry.
Oh, thank you for saving me. Oh, I almost died. Oh. There.
Rabbit,
Oh, Frog.
are you okay now?
I think so. But that thing is still in my house.
Well, I think I could get him to come out if you let me.
How? I'll scare him. Really?
I can try.
Okay.
Ribbit. I am the spitting cobra. I can blind you with my poison. Now come out of that house or I'll squeeze under the door and spit poison into your eyes.
Please don't hurt me. I was only playing a joke. Please, where's the spitting cobra? Don't let the spitting cobra hurt me.
Well, fancy that. Hey everybody, the long one was just a caterpillar. Rabbit, look, he's gone. He was only a caterpillar.
Really? Yeah. Well, hey, caterpillar, the spitting cobra was only a frog.